Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making Pandan Sponge Cake. This cake is easy to make, it is very fragrant and the texture is light and fluffy. Every time I make this Pandan Sponge Cake, it won't last a day, so let's get started. First, let's prepare the pandan juice. If you don't have pandan leaves, you can use pandan essence. Here I have 40 grams pandan leaves. Add 120 ml of water. Blend until you get a fine paste. Then squeeze out as much juice as possible. You should get about 110 ml of pandan juice. Now let's crack 6 eggs. I'm going to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Just make sure the bowl you use for the egg whites is completely dry. Now set the egg whites aside. Add 50 grams caster sugar. Mix well. Then add 80 grams sunflower oil or any other neutral tasting oil. Mix well. Add the pandan juice and mix until well incorporated. 160 grams self-raising flour, 20 grams cornstarch, mix until you don't see clumps of dry flour. Now we're going to prepare the egg whites. Make sure the bowl is dry, if not the egg whites won't fluff up well. Add the egg whites into the bowl. Whisk on medium speed. Whisk until you see the egg whites become foamy. Here I have 90 grams of caster sugar. Add in 3 batches. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Then add the next batch of caster sugar. And the last batch of caster sugar. Once you see clear ribbons like this, it should be ready. Whisk until you get stiff peaks. You can see the tip of the egg white being pointy. Then scoop out 1/3 of beaten egg whites into the egg yolk batter. Mix until well combined. Then pour the batter back into the egg whites. Mix until well combined. I'm going to use a spatula to fold it gently just to make sure the base is well mixed in as well. Pour into an 8-inch mold. Repeat tapping the mold on the table a few times to remove any air bubbles. Then place it in a preheated oven at 140 degrees Celsius. Bake for 50 minutes. Then increase to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake until it turns golden brown, about 5 to 10 minutes. Immediately after removing from the oven, repeat this action 3 to 4 times to release trapped air. Wait for it to cool down, about 20 minutes. Enjoy! Hope you like this recipe. See you next time.
that you've been hurt one too many times before. And that upstairs I wanna make this real.